As you visualize the stack, you can see how the raw data is going to slowly shrink as you move up the stack. And the reason for that is obvious, right? Because ultimately your PLCs need to understand all of the data. If you have a sensor that's not being utilized inside of your PLC, you might as well remove that sensor. If it's not making some kind of a decision, it is a useless device. Similarly, your SCADA is not going to ingest every single data point that's coming from the PLC because you're looking to understand critical points, you're looking to understand fault codes. You don't need to have data that is cluttering at the SCADA level. Next, you have the MES. Again, the MES is looking for higher level decision makers. Whether you're trying to understand on the daily level, on the week level, or maybe on the monthly level, you're trying to understand the performance of your specific facility, your specific line, maybe your specific shift team. And ultimately, the ERP is not concerned about all of those metrics. It is concerned about some of them, and depending on the maturity of the organization, it probably wants to ingest as much information as possible, but in most cases, it's trying to schedule runs based on business demand and the other parameters. Like I've mentioned, there's going to be distributors, supply chain, there's going to be storage of ingredients, but ultimately it's trying to schedule based on the current availability of the process as well as the performance of the process and enable you to foresee what's going to happen in 3 months, in 6 months, in a year, so on and so forth.